Nigeria shall be a nation that has fully leveraged